Oh, big splash here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Big bumps. Ah! And into the water. Woo-hoo. There's Michelle. Ah! Hello world, it is your Unkle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Lake Buena Vista, Florida, yet again. So today I'm at Disney World's Blizzard Beach water park. Really cool place I've been wanting to go for a long time. We finally got here today. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's a great day to go play around in the water, taking you along with me. So, already got our tickets? Let's go see what kind of wet Disney trouble we can get into. Do you come along? On a Disney bus again. But we're going somewhere cool. I mean, I keep saying that, but I mean, anywhere we go here, it's going to be cool. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I'm excited. Just behind me over here, above this car, where you can't see it, are the All-Star Resorts. Now, I have a thing. For years and years and years, I used to stay at the All-Star Music, and I love it, and I still love it to this day. It was very first Disney resort I ever stayed at, and I'm very fond of it, and I love to just swing by and say hello every once in a while. This McDonald's here is where I'd have many a breakfast in my younger days when I was going to Walt Disney World by myself or as a kid. So, lots of good memories there. Look at that. Look at that. That's right, the cat's out of the bag. We're going to Blizzard Beach today. I have finally arrived, and this is both of ours first visit here. We've both done Typhoon Lagoon, but neither one of us has done Blizzard Beach, so it's very exciting. They're all melty here, but can't help but notice this view here. That looks pretty amazing. Now I'm in GoPro mode. I don't know how good it's gonna go, but we're gonna check out this park and see what it's all about. Let's stop and take a look at the map, see what there is to do, because even though I've seen dozens of videos, I don't know what's here. I kind of have an idea, but this is what I'm aiming for eventually, the Lazy River. Checking out the Lazy River here. I'm gonna have to ride that in a little bit. Both sides. So here's where we're starting our adventures, is on this, what was it, Mount Splashmore? Gushmore. Mount Gushmore. We're heading to the top of Mount Gushmore to get gushed. Say that again?
Mount Rushmore. It was a very nice trip that we took together at one time.
We did. We did. So there's another parallel to this journey in Mount Rushmore and Mount Gushmore. So I'm just really hot and want to get in the water. This breeze feels good though.
Not to mention the blizzards we've lived through.
Yes, several blizzards we've already lived through. So yes, always a connection to us. All right, here we go. There's another rider coming down. I'm not entirely sure I want to ride that. I think it starts up there. Yeah, there he goes. That is a fast slide. That looks like an awful wedgie too.
Looks like it really hurt the back.
Yeah, I think no. I think this looks something like something we do. We'll see. I have no idea. We'll find out when we get to the top. I love the detail of how, like, see how their skis are hanging off the bottom of their chairlift? Disney spares no expense in the effects. That's very cool. Here we go. All right, I'm turning off. All right, this is our first ride. Woohoo! All right, here we go. Oh gosh, I've missed going on water parks. So nice, so nice. Whoa! Oh, I got wet. I got wet. Oh my goodness. Nice. Oh, these are bumpy. Ah! Here we go. All right, I'm going under. Wow. That was fun. Oh, that was a lot of fun. All right, there's more where that came from. All right, first ride was good. I got wet and I'm cooling off, which was the goal. So, and it was a lot of fun. It's been years since I've done a water park. So I'm a happy camper. All right, we're back again. This time I'm gonna take the tube down. See how that goes. All right, here's the next tunnel. I think it's gonna be a dark ride. Goodbye, Michelle. All right, here we go. I'm not sure it's gonna be that great for filming, but here we go. Oh, there we go. Woo! Yeah, it's dark tonight. I don't really see anything but lights. All right, that was good, but I'm not sure how good of a video it's gonna make because I'm not sure how good a video it's gonna make because it's pretty dark. All right, that one was fun, but it was just completely dark, so I don't know how well the video is gonna come out other than me screaming, but it was fun. So here's some of the shots of the slides and lines waiting up to the top. So up there is the big tower for the speed slides, and I'm not a coward, I'm not big on water wedgies, so we're gonna go ahead and skip that today. I'm enjoying this, I really am. It feels good to swim again. So we've made our way to the lazy river, which is always a favorite ride. This is the good life. Truly the good life. Are you feeling the vacation vibe, Michelle? Yeah. Is this the good life? Is life good? Life is very good. I don't know how much footage I'm gonna get out of this video because I don't know how many more slides we're gonna cover or how much more we're gonna do here, but yeah, it is what it is. Here's what we're dealing with next here. Michelle's moving over, but you know where I'm going. I'm going right for it. This is why I'm here at a water park. Woo! Very refreshing. I'm not sure how good the lighting is with the old GoPro here, but got a little bit of Disney theming going on in this tunnel. I'm liking it. I'm liking that waterfall I just went through. I got a water spot on my lens. Hang on. Much better. I think now we're going out into the lights. I lost Michelle. There's all kinds of nice areas here that you can sunbathe and be in the sand. I think we picked a good day to be here. It doesn't seem very... Everybody's at the big parks today, that's what it is. And I think for the locals, it's still very cold to go swimming. Probably what it is. One thing about it is, man, there's a lot of steps to climb if you can't take the chairlift up to the top. Woof. Burning off all those Disney snacks. This is our third ride on the slide. This one's an open one. Green light. Whoa. Green light means go. So this was kind of like the other one. Still a lot of fun. I do love water slides. The nice thing is they're nice long rides too. They're not over fast. And you can sit there and get all these bumps though. These bumps. Whee! Oh, big splash here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Big bumps. And into the water. Woo-hoo. There's Michelle. Great fun. love it. Absolutely love it. We got a reservation we got to make, so we'll be cutting this one a little short. I think we're going to do one more ride and call it a day. We've been here a couple of hours, so it doesn't show that on the video, but we've had a good time. I got wet. See, that's the only thing that matters. Looking over here, I'm going to get a quick shot of the Animal Kingdom, and look, there's Everest. We're riding out tomorrow. And this view from up here is absolutely amazing. Look, you can see the Tower of Terror, the swan, the dolphin, everything. And look, I think that's the Orlando Eye in the distance too. Maybe, not sure, but yeah. So this is our last ride.
All right, you gotta hold on.
Looks like it's gonna be fun. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. We're going up really high on some of these banks. How did I end up backwards? Backwards. How do we get out now? That was pretty cool, actually. Oh, our ride's not complete yet. Oh, we have to end it with a waterfall. Quite refreshing. We get to end the day at this famous photo op. Thank you, Blizzard Beach. It's been an amazing day. Had a great time. All in all, I thought it was a pretty amazing day. Even though it was a short one, it really hit the spot. I was itching for some water slides and some good water fun, and this hit the spot. I think it was $16 for us to upgrade to the water park option. And I think we definitely got $16 worth of Disney magic, at least in my opinion. You have to love the decor, because this actually is a hole into the gift shop. So it's real. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I really enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned. I have many more Walt Disney World adventures coming very, very soon. Until then, signing off from Lake Buena Vista, Florida. Till next time, bye-bye.